Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 751. We're opening 2 boxes of Upper Deck Ultimate Collection 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 11th at 9:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 1:36 p.m. Friday, June 12th. It's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Sorry. Our first box number is 221, 149, 365. Second box number is 221, 153, 046. We've got 4 cards per pack, 1 pack per box, so 2 boxes to open. First box, Ultimate Collection 13-14. Okay, need to break the aluminum seal and open. You get your pack. Empty, neat box. Extra careful. Okay, so our first card, Marcel Dionne for Kings, out of 499 base card. Ultimate Rookies, Montreal's Nathan Beaulieu, out of 499. Piece of backing. Jonathan Huberdeau, Rookie Ultimate Signature for Panthers. Beautiful card. Love the backdrop. Nice hit for Florida. And we've got an ultimate jersey of Niklas Kronwall for Detroit. So that's our first box. Let's just put this aside. Go to our second box. I'd just like to mention that we've got 6 box breaks ending tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. We've got some Upper Deck Artifact 13-14. We've got some Ultimate Collection, identical to this one. Some SP Game Used 13-14 also. Got some 12-13 signatures, classic signatures, veteran players and retired players only signatures. You get an auto per pack, 6 pack per box. We got 2 boxes. And more appeal all the time. All of that tonight on Box Breakers. Now, second pack, second box. Okay. Here we go. This pack. First card, Jeremy Roenick for Chicago, base card out of 499. Ultimate Rookies for Washington, Nate Smith out of 499. Ultimate Signatures, Pecorine for Predators. Beautiful card. Love the design of this one. And oh wow, this is nice. Jonathan Quick premium patch or swatch. Beautiful, just beautiful. Out of 25 Kings. Beautiful patch. And that's our second box. Clean up here. So, for a quick recap, we got this beautiful patch. Jonathan Quick for Kings. Got Pecorine auto. Ultimate Signature. We got a rookie for Washington, Mike Smith. Jeremy Roenick base card. Jersey card for Detroit, Niklas Kronwall. Beautiful rookie Ultimate Signatures, Jonathan Huberdeau for Panthers, Nathan Beaulieu rookie for Montreal, and Marcel Dion for Kings. Base card out of 499. Base card, parallel card. And that concludes our break number 751 of 2 box of Ultimate Collection 1314. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.